Hey guys, give me just a second because I'm making coffee and it's on the stove, so I have to get my coffee off the stove first. Be right back. I need a sign that says, be right back. These are out. Okay, so today I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I know the last time we did this microphone was not really working too well. Or it was rather, there was some feedback, so still kind of testing that. But we're going to go ahead and I can't read that. Let's go ahead and click these. Okay, so go ahead and quit Slack as well. Today is going to be about products and campaigns. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to create a plugin. I'm sorry, not a plugin, a workflow that is going to need to delete some of these because they're duplicates. It's going to dump it all out, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is, you'll see like right here we have this location creation API. And what I was doing here, and then I finally figured it out, this is the wrong way to do it. You don't capture individual forms. You capture product sales. And you use that as the trigger. Also, I want to mention that inbound webhook triggers are coming up near the end of the quarter. Let's see. I think I saw something in there. So what this means is, there was an update made to this. Let me see if I can find like on YouTube. Can I not search here? High level. There we go.
Hey, happy Sunday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level.
So what this means is, and basically I'm just going to paraphrase, this will replace a lot of what Zapier does for high level. So if you have like a different platform, like let's say you're trying to move from Thrive to high level or from Keep to high level or something like that, you can instead of having to use Zapier to make all these triggers and actions, you can just send a webhook straight into high level and receive it in your workflows. Now, back to the main point of this. I'm going to create a workflow from scratch. And this is going to be called product membership capture workflow. And so you have there are two different types of order forms in high level. You have a two-step order form, and then you have a one-step order form. So if we have, let's go back to our sites, and I'm going to create there's really no need for, I actually have a different snapshot, and I just sort of started deleting a bunch of these because this doesn't need to be a funnel. I'll explain this another time, but funnels are meant for sales, and websites, customer support is not a sale. So we can delete these. But we're going to come into this demo, and then I'm going to create we're just going to use a template for now. Then we'll say beauty. Let's say health and wellness. And then we will do a healthy eating consultation. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, check this, and say I agree. It's my responsibility. And then that's going to load. I'll get a notification whenever it loads. I don't like this being right here. Oh, I just realized that I am on full screen. That's the second time I've done that. I hate that. Okay, anyways, just keep moving forward. Just to recap. Okay. So just to recap, because I didn't realize I wasn't sharing my screen, we have, this is how we've been doing order form submissions. And the problem with this is that not only is it different for a two-step order form, but you have to, if you don't capture the sale, it will treat it like it's a sale if you just get an order form submission. In a two-step form, there's a form and then a checkout. So, anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to have a workflow that's going to demonstrate that, and then we're going to have a site that is, we're going to come to demo. I'm going to create a funnel using a template. And one of these is going to have a two-step order form, and the other one is going to have a one-step order form. And so I'm just going to explain what happens here. I think we did this twice. So there we go. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. We're going to move it into the demo. And, well, okay, just for the sake of making this build into another lesson, I'm going to put it into a campaign folder. It's going to make it easier so that whenever we come back and do the campaign lesson, it will make more sense. So we have a funnel group right here, demo. Well, it's supposed to be in there. Oh, I'm sorry. I put it in campaign 1. And I'm going to edit this in a new tab. And I'm going to come back and grab this one. And we're just going to create a product. And it's going to be a service. So we're going to use example product and example product 2. Those are going to be our services. So let's say like these are, well, we can't edit the name, but I'm just going to create 2 new products real quick. We'll say this is a healthy eating course. And we're just going to pick a random picture. There we go. And we'll make this like $97. And it's recurring. I'm sorry. Recurring. Yeah, that's my cat. Hold on. Hey, buddy. And then we're going to do the same thing. And it's going to be called Healthy Eating Course. Do we have to do it like this? Yeah. And then it's going to have a different picture. And then this is going to be, we're going to say this one's like 59 or something. We'll just say it's 59 monthly. I forget what I named the other one, but it's important what you name the price. What did I name this? Recurring. That's what I renamed it. Okay, so we're just going to call this monthly. Yeah. Healthy eating course monthly subscription. And we're going to say this is like healthy eating course 1, right? And then this one is going to be same thing, except healthy eating course 2 monthly subscription. So give me a second because my coffee's on the stove. I have to get it off. Be right back. Hey, quit it. Let's see, where is my... Well, my God. Okay. Well, yeah. Couldn't find my UGG gloves. That coffee went everywhere. But I'm gonna have to go get an energy drink or something. Okay, so I have to make this fast, or else I'm gonna run out of time. But all right, these are products that we sell, and then in our, let's come over to our sites, and then right here we have another thing. You'll notice memberships, and then we have products, right? So let's say that this is a course, and we're gonna make this just a regular membership course, and this is gonna be healthy eating course. We're gonna create that product, and then we're gonna come into offers. Hold on. First of all, we need to go into our sites, and then into campaign 1, and then we need to add this as a product right here. So this is going to be healthy eating course, and we have healthy eating course 1 monthly subscription, and we're going to hit save. And we're gonna do sort of something. I mean, this is okay. This works. Additional options. This is a membership product, so there's a way to set this as a membership product. Hold on. Is it offer? Let me just do this real quick. So this is our offer. And then there's a checkout. Okay, so you see how we've got like a few different types of products? We got like courses here and then products. And we have to add them to the page. There's a way to add this as a membership product, but it eludes me. Hold on. I'm going to delete some of these because I want that campaign 1 to show up over here. There we go. Now it's settings. Okay, so basically, if you have a course, you can just have a checkout using an offer right here, and then we can build a workflow. I'm going to refresh this so that it can load all that data in. And is it offer? No. Okay. So there is a way to do a membership offer. Anyways, what I want to show you here is that if we do an order form, we have order submitted, and then we have global product, and then we have these healthy eating course, right? So the point that I want to make here is that if you have a funnel right here, which I'm just going to put this in like a pop-up, and you add a 2-step order form. That was supposed to be a 2-step order form. Yeah, okay. And then we turn off, let's just turn off the shipping. So let's say this is going to be a course. If you select the if you select the order form submitted, and like let's say it's right here, and then we say it's in the healthy eating consultation, which I'm not sure. I'm sure this is going to be like one of those two because I named them the same thing, right? So we publish this. Oh, we need an action first. And we're going to say like notification, push notification, test complete, and then would, just say hello world and contact all users, hit save, publish. Now, if I'm in this and I hit preview, there's a way to get this. Wait, go back. There. So I'm just going to say like test, and then like this. So I'm going to get a notification from that. I should. Oh, it's supposed to have a... Where's the product? Okay, so I shouldn't have done two products. I should have done this before I started. But the point that I'm trying to make here is that if you have like a course that you're trying to sell, and you're teaching the course to high level, and you want to use the page builder to like make the checkout, then it's possible to do that. What we need to do is come like back over here. And did I not add a product to this? Okay. Yeah, I should have only done one product because now I'm confused. Save. We'll get it right. Hold on. Before we run out of time. And then this is set to, the workflow is set to the wrong one, I believe. Okay. So now if that's the right page, we'll get a notification. But obviously it's not. So let's just do both of them. Okay. Go back. Okay, so I got a notification right there on my app. And it said, it said exactly what I sent. It said, hello world. But, okay. So the point that I'm trying to make here is that whenever you go to create these triggers, you just want the global product right here. And even if it's like what's confusing is that you have products and then you have courses that are like also considered products. Let me let my cat out. Hold on. And then you have like checkouts for those products, but then in order to like trigger that, you have to use product access granted. So don't get confused. Like if you're selling a course, especially like an online course, something that you might be doing like consulting in person, and then you switch it over to a course. Let's just come to our offers right here. And wait, where'd my offer go? Oh no, hold on. Where's my offer? Well, okay, let's just do this again. Healthy eating course offer. We'll say this is, just give it some variation. We're gonna say it's 98. I'm gonna hit create, and then we should get the same thing if we save this and preview it, and then we check out and submit. Then we use this sorry, buy now button. We should get that same notification because it's a product access granted trigger. And I'm going to come over here to history. Oh, this was skipped because I didn't have this set to allow multiple. Okay. But same thing there. If you are selling a course, you can use the offers to do that. You don't have to like create a you don't have to like create a separate workflow for each form that gets submitted. So what I want to do is maybe see if I can like revoke that. Hold on. Yeah, I'm running out of time. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to come back to this. But that's the point that I want to make today is that if you're selling courses, just do it with these memberships right here. And don't do what I did. And whenever you create these, don't like use the order form submitted trigger and forget that the submission type is right there, because what will happen is you'll give somebody access to something before they purchase it if you have a two-step form like this. So if they fill this out, it'll trigger the workflow and then they'll get to this, but they'll get like an email or a text message. It's like, hey, thanks for purchasing, and they're like, I haven't even purchased it yet, but okay. So that's the point of the lesson today. Anyways, I have to attend another meeting. So thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.